Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research before doing anything, of course. So yeah, 1 second here. We're going to go over pretty much everything. Going to plug this in. Going to pull up the other live chat really quickly. And then, yeah, we're going to get started pretty much. Alright. Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys. Alright, pulling up the other live chat really quickly, and then, yeah, we're going to get started here. So just pull that up. Going to tell the team we're on live. Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate it. Alright, so yeah, let's get straight to it. Just told the team we're on live now. And yeah, let's go over today what ended up happening, what I'm also seeing for today. So yeah, we're going to pull up pretty much the usual Tesla Qs, all these trades here. And yeah, let's get straight to it. All right, so obviously the Qs, yes, I had to tweak my box up just a bit here. So let's see. And honestly, the crazy thing is I still like it. I still would end up taking this again if we end up getting it. Obviously there was a box here. We had a nice box at the 606.97. We broke under, tried it, obviously had a nice little, I think it was up like what, 30% or so, and then yeah, I got stopped out. This is why stop loss is better. But yeah, what I can see here is, I mean, really to the upside, nothing really stopping us. What I do like about this downside, and yes, I did tweak this box a bit. We got another box there. So under the 606.72 area, we get a nice little close down there. We got that empty space, which honestly looks really good. So that is what I'm seeing. That is on the Qs. I don't think we'll get this today. But yeah, we shall see how that plays out. All right, so the Qs, I will be honest, Tesla. So let's see here. And hold on, I did not mean to do that. I will be honest, guys. Alright, so yeah, let's get this off my screen, my bad. So as of right now, yeah, we do have this, what, clear gap down, no consolidation. As you can see, well, all these red candles there, that's what I am liking to this upside here. Obviously, yes, what do we have? We got a nice little POTTERBOX that we had to break above, so we did this on a 30-minute actually. So a nice 30-minute chart, we had a nice break above, right? So yeah, a lot of us are fine, but I will say, yeah, the very slow move. What I can sense and see is this. So yeah, we got this nice clear gap. I would love to see if we could go into this empty space, probably overnight. But the only thing about Tesla is Tesla does what it wants to do, right? So it does exactly what it wants to do. So that would be more of an extreme lotto for sure. But yeah, I do want to see if we can end up finishing this move here. Obviously, the last 3 to 4 hours we've been heading up. So yeah, it's been doing well, but it's just pretty much chopping in that same direction. So do want to see if we can go ahead and finish that move, or if we break back under this 445.99. We could see a little bit of downside there. So that's just what I'm seeing, which honestly looks good. Short AMD. AMD is cooking. Let me see. So VA, we already did that. AMD. All right. So the thing about AMD that I have here is this. And yeah, honestly, it does look really good, right? So yeah. And yeah, shout out to Glock for AMD. He had a beautiful call out there. Beautiful trade. So yeah, that was, yeah, Glock did that, which lets a few of the members end up hitting that great percentage. You can see this group has made me a lot of money since I joined. Thank you so much for this awesome group at Put Brothers. You can also see what we did on a couple of the other these trades. AI did great. What a blessing to have these gains while doing personal chores. Obviously, yes, AI pulled back a bit, but yeah, I'm still gonna see if we can hit those targets though. So we'll see. So yeah, for me, yeah, it's very close. So for AMD, we had this clear gap up, no consolidation, right? Obviously, I do see us having another box here. Yo, Danny, thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. Really appreciate it, bro. Hope you're having a good one today. So yeah, all I'm seeing, yeah, if we can get a break under that 204 area, we could potentially see that downside. So that's what I'm seeing there. Obviously, I don't really want to day trade anything. I do want to wait for those swings end of day, since they've been trading really nicely. It's nice to have a group to trade with. Dude, I will be honest, it really is. And like I said, it's not just me in my Discord. Obviously, we had AI. You know, AI was a beautiful trade. Or it's still going on pretty much, but you can see that percentage there. Shout out Danny as well. He caught that with us. You can see 200%. But yeah, it's great seeing, you know, the same thing. If we all, and you know, the mods and I, we see the same thing. If it lines up, yeah, we definitely will take it for sure. Obviously, yeah, you know, some of the mods call out different things that that I didn't call out. So you can see, boom, this group has made me so much money since I joined. Thank you so much for this awesome group. I mean, yeah, you can pretty much see what a couple members did there. But yeah, AI looks good. I do want to see if we can continue. We'll go over it too as well. All right, so AMD, we did that. So I want to look at AMZN. We want to take a look at Target. We'll take a look there. I do want to go over a Nike too. Yeah, I would say, especially for the new traders, especially how we, you know, post our charts. Obviously, yeah, I got stopped out on the Qs today. So the Q puts, I got stopped out, but I was up like 30%. Could have taken, but my targets didn't get hit, so there was literally no point of me trying to get something like that. I'm looking for those higher time frame gains, of course. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Yo, Danny, what's up? So meta. Okay, yeah, gotcha, bro. We'll go over that. I started a week ago. I need guidance. How can I join? Yeah, what's up, bro? Yeah, you can join. Honestly, if you're new, you can join my free chat, my free Discord. Link is in the bio. So yeah, we got the free chat. We also got the VIP chat as well. You can see what we did here today. You can see what a few of the members did on Glock's AMD call there. And yeah, you can see how we post plays, how we post setups. Obviously, the end of the day will be, you know, the easiest. Obviously, AI was a very easy trade for us. We end up getting in. We swung it over the weekend. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so yo, Steph, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. All right, so for AMZN, I will be honest, I'm waiting on this one. I do see two possible outcomes. We did this on a 4-hour actually, so give me a second here. So nice 4-hour chart. This is a move that I've been waiting for. So yes, each day, the first thing that I saw here, clear gap down, no consolidation. Hopefully we get this week. This is what I'm seeing here. I do want to see that 223.85 break. So above where we have, above this consolidation, I'm targeting into this empty space, this gap, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I do want to see that 223.85 break and candle close. I will be honest, for Amazon, I will wait for a candle close. I don't care if this trade leaves me. I'm just going to wait for a close on that one. Yo, Mark, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. I will say, though, I mean, there is... Okay, so, same exact thing. If we remove this box or push it out the way a bit, there's a little bit of a gap here that I'm seeing. So, clear gap down, no consolidation. Let's change the song since I don't like those lyrics. Beautiful top. Honestly, looks like that box there. Looks like we're trying to punch back into that. So yeah, right above us, yeah, we got some empty space. So if we can get a nice clear candle body break above, we do have this empty space that is currently above us, which looks good, looks decent. You can see entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want. And yeah, it doesn't look bad. So yeah, right now we're still flirting with that box, flirting with this top wall, so we would need that break in order for us to target to that upside. All right, so that is on AMZN. So we did that. So Apple. So I will be honest, I don't, or I didn't take this one. Obviously, we did have this clear gap up. We end up breaking below, going to this empty space. What I circled. The bigger move on Apple, I know someone's going to ask me about this one as well. So there's a greater move that I'll be waiting for as well. And I like this a lot. So yes, you can go ahead and add it to I like it a lot playlist, watch list. And yeah, what I can see here. Yo, Danny, thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. Really appreciate it. We got this clear gap up, no consolidation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, about 6 green candles there that needs to be tapped into. So if we can get a nice little 251.35 break end of day or on that 4 hour, yeah, I'll be looking for that downside. So I will be keeping an eye on that. Hopefully everyone does too. Yo, JJ, thanks for the roses, man. Really appreciate it. All right, so that is on Apple. So we'll see how that plays out. Also, we'll keep going. So we got to go to Meta. Got you. Let's do that. And yes, if you have any requests, now's the time to drop them down below. All right, so let's see here. Could you check UNH? So yeah, we'll do Meta. We'll do UNH. Boo, what's up? PayPal. Yep, gotcha. We'll definitely do that as well. If I join your group, can I cancel after a month if I don't want to stay? So yeah, if if you're in the Discord, you can literally cancel anytime. So, so if you're on the weekly, the monthly, you can always cancel. You don't have to stay. We also do have a free chat as well, so you can, just leave the Discord if you don't want to stay there either. So no, you're not tied to anything. But yeah, everything will be in the link in the bio though. Alright, so let's see. I do want to go over to this. So I do see the 1 hour, but let's look at this 24-hour time frame here. And let's see. Open Tesla. Okay, yeah, got you. No worries. So yeah, all these trades will go over. FTT, got you, Colin. No worries. All right, 1 second here. 1 second. All right, so honestly, I see a little bit of upside here. I know this is on. Let's see. Actually, not a bad little move that I can see. If we can get this to line up properly. Give me a second here. So I may have to do this on a Alright, so I'm doing this on a 45 minutes, still the same exact thing, pretty much every day in the Discord. For me, I'm not going to touch this one as of yet. We are on this 45 minute though, and I only went down here because I seen the structure was a little bit better, at least for the top wall wise. We got a nice potter box here, nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. Obviously, if we wanted, this could be another box, empty space there. But I'm looking for that bigger picture. Outside of that 719 area. 719 up to that, so let's see. 729. Oh, actually, that doesn't look too bad. So yeah, it looks really, really good, actually. So, yeah. 720, almost 730. Alright, so yeah, we got that clear gap down, no consolidation. We get this nice break, 719. Yeah, it looks honestly pretty good. Pretty decent. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna wait and see if we can get that. Doesn't look too bad. Looks really good. If I'm already in the free chat and I want to try it, do you have a discount code? So I think there's one. It's 25 puts. So 25 and then PUTS, all capitals. But yeah, you can also just give me a DM, no worries. Did you trade Tesla? Obviously some lottos, but we'll see. We'll see how the end of day brings. All right, so Meta, we did that. AMZ, we got to go over what UNH. I think you guys want to see Tesla. I think Alyssa asked for that one. Hold on. I'm gonna pull up all these other charts. FT&T. We'll do open. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do all these charts here. So pretty much finding another watch list here. PYPL. Cool, cool, cool. PayPal Prano. All right, so I will say 24-hour. We are pretty much above our top wall. It's been looking good for a very long time, but got to be careful on this one just because we got a little bit of. Hold on one second here. So yeah, we do got this clear gap down, no consolidation. We are above our top level. Do want to see how the end of the day will bring to see if we can continue to take that to the upside. So it looks really good. Yo, Jules, what's up? Are you a scalper? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Obviously, I was in the queue today. I was up like 30-40% or something. I could have scalped it, but my targets didn't get hit, so I had to get stopped out. Obviously, I do like to day trade, but we mainly swing trade here. So you can see what a few members did on AI. Boom. Shout out Danny. AI 200% there. Obviously, more members. AI. See SFCI, a couple other of these trades that we ended up getting into. And yeah, that this was Glock's call. So this was not my call. This was our mod Glocky. Yeah, he had a beautiful entry. This group has made me so much money since I joined. So yeah, we mainly swing trade here. And yeah, we get in. If it hits, cool. If it doesn't hit, we get out. That's, pretty much our standpoint with everything. Like, so this play here, MP, we swing it end of day. So and I'll be completely honest, last 5 to 10 minutes is when I enter into my swings. I'll be honest, you can see when we call out trades, the last 30 minutes as well. And yeah, you can see what we did on that MP play. This was what, last week. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so UNH, we'll go over this. Let's see here. When you say end of day, looking for closes can. So yes, I kid you not. I know it sounds stupid. I know it sounds crazy. This dude literally wasted the whole day just to get into a trade. But you can see, like, hold on, let's see here. Hold on, give me a second. So yeah, you can see our swings today. Let's see, hold on, 1 second here. You can see this AI play. You can see where we were before. Obviously, we did end up rejecting a bit, but yeah, we had a nice little play on that. You can see literally a 357. What, 3 to 5 minutes before market ends up closing. I tell the team what I want. Obviously, this was on Friday. Told the team AI valid. We end up getting in, and yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but yes, we end up posting end of day. So I posted this one like 30 minutes left before market closes. And so I let the team know what we were getting into. And then, yeah, we get in if we're above our walls, things of that sort. And then we swing it into the next day, next couple days, sometimes even the next week. And yeah, that's pretty much that aftermath there. So, okay, I got to go over UNH. So let me go over UNH really quickly. What broker do you use? So I use, well, this is just for my analysis, Trading View. It's really up to you. I use Webull, TradeStation. Not stupid at all. What time frame before close do you use? So, Boo, I will be honest. If I'm on a 24-hour time frame, I'm looking for a 24-hour close, or I could go on a lower time frame. But I would definitely love that 24-hour. If I'm on a 4-hour, I can wait for a 4-hour close. I can, really just depends on the time frame that I'm on. But yeah, if I'm on that 24-hour time frame, I'll wait for a 2-hour or a 24-hour. If I'm on a 2-hour, then yeah, if I'm looking to swing it, I'll definitely wait on that 2-hour. It really just depends as well. All right, so yeah, my bad. Let me stop yapping. We'll go over these other stocks. All right, so, but yeah, that's just how I personally do things. Obviously, not saying that, you know, I win every trade, which I don't. That's just what works for me, pretty much. All right, so I will say, I think we did this on a, so we did this on a 4-hour, right? Okay, so yeah, we did this on a 4-hour. This is what I saw here. Okay, don't worry about this blue line here. Let's get rid of this. So we had this clear gap down, no consolidation here. Clear gap down, no consolidation. We end up getting a nice break above our top level. I will say we already hit that imbalance here, that 367. If we do continue, I do want to see if we can get up to that 377. I get it. Yes, we have we have a bigger move on this empty space play. So as you can see on this weekly chart, this is what I'm seeing. So yeah, we broke outside on this weekly chart. That final for me will be that 466 area. That's what I'm seeing. But on that 4-hour, we did hit that imbalance, so got to be very careful. What I can see is, yes, we did end up building another box here. So this box that I'm seeing that we do need to break out of for this continuation will be outside of this 362.96 area. So that's what I'm seeing there as well. Yo, Super, what's up? What's up? Man, AI was great. Obviously, I do want to see those finals, so I'm still gonna hold some and see if we can hit those targets. You catch AMD. So I caught it. What? I think we caught it Thursday. Glock caught that one. He called that up on Friday. So, but no, I did not get in. But yeah, it's all good. No worries. Is swinging not recommended? For me, I personally would want to, you know, a better entry since I'm not in. Since I'll be honest, yeah, this would have been a beautiful swing if I got in at this 314 area. So for me at least, I don't really want to just enter in. I do want to see if I can get some sort of clear entry. That's for sure. All right, so that was on UNH open. We'll take a look here. Let's see. So okay, so I did this on a 1-month chart here. So we'll break it down. I promise we'll break it down. Looks like we're still above this top level here. Yeah, and just make sure, yeah, just do your own research before doing anything, of course. The only reason why I said that is, yeah, only because of the entry. So that was pretty much my whole standpoint with that. All right, so open, I will say we're right back above our top level again. Above this 873 area. If we can get some sort of close, I do like how we punched through this cost basis area. Yes, we do have this empty space that is still currently above us. That looks really good. So that's what I'm seeing there. All right, all right. Oh, here we go, here we go. All right, so 452. All right, so I'm keeping a watch out on this as well. So 456, that'll be that final there. All right, I think we'll get it today. Yeah, you guys are funny. All right, so yeah, if we can get this continuation, let's see. Yeah, I do want to see that 452. I will be honest, swinging Tesla definitely does its own thing, so got to be very, very careful on it. Hold on 1 second here. So we actually did this on a 30-minute chart. So give me 1 second. I do like how we had this nice little push here. All right, give me 1 second, guys. I gotta send this in the chat really quickly. All right, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. And yeah, we'll do FTMC. We'll do all these other trades here. All right. 1 second here. I'm typing something out really quickly. Did not mean to say BE. All right. 1 second here, guys. One second. All right. Okay. So, all right. So yeah, it does look pretty good. My bad. I gotta read all these charts as well. Yo, Scar, what's up? How can I join Discord? So yeah, all the Discord link will be in the bio. You can join the free chat. You can join the VIP chat as well. But yeah, everything's in the bio. My bad, I was just typing to the chat, to the Discord. Yeah, about this one, obviously, you know, yeah, had some lottos. Did want to see if we can get that 456. The only reason is because, obviously, we had a nice break, but I knew we were going to chop a bit. But I do like how we're getting this nice little push above. But yeah, just got to be very careful with swinging Tesla, since Tesla loves to do what it wants to do. So yeah, it does what it wants pretty much. It's only 2 links. So yes, when you click the link in my bio, it's going to bring you to that WAP. So that WAP will let you join the free chat or the VIP chat. You can just scroll down and see for the Discord. All right, so hold on, I gotta pull up all these other ones here. Give me 1 second here. All right. Yeah, I'll be honest, I don't know if I really want to swing this on this 30-minute. That's what I'm seeing there. If I do leave a runner, so it'll definitely be an extreme lotto. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, I know they got some news tomorrow too, so that's the only reason why I'm saying extreme lotto. And no, I'm not telling anyone's against any trades, any positions, so please do your own research before doing anything. Do you expect the QQ gap to be filled sooner or later? For the Qs, and yeah. And I'm going to be honest, this is the one. So yeah, we had a couple beautiful swings that ended up doing great. Obviously, yeah, I tried the QQQ puts here. And yeah, I got stopped out. But I was up like 30%. But, you know, I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, bro, we didn't even hit the target. I think we were like, I had a perfect entry too. So we didn't even hit my target. We were going down. It reversed. So yeah, I ended up stopping out. Because I wanted this full thing there. As Tesla looks like we're trying to that first TP. All right, my bad. But for me at least, I still like it. I would still take this again because I could care less. We still got this nice gap up. Looks good. Yeah, under this 606.72. Yeah, I'll definitely end up taking that again. I really don't care. And I do want to see if we can hit that full move. So that's all that I'm seeing there. Yo, Alex, what's up? INTC. Jose, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. So PayPal, yeah, I definitely got you. No worries. So yeah, if I end up swinging that, it's like extreme lotto for sure. Right, I love how it's going though. Love how we're getting that nice push that is needed. So 452.85. So if we can go up, that would be crazy. Yo, Derek, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. $452.93. Okay. Yeah, we're getting a really nice push there. 94, 92. Let's see. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Yo, Mike, what's up, man? Best trading day in over 2 years. Yo, Doc, yo, keep up the great work, man. Yeah, that's all I can say. Keep up the great work. Glad it's working out for you. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. I do have my alerts pretty much set as well. Hold on, give me 1 second. All right. Lee, look at MUSA. Okay, yeah, I got you. No worries. All right, so FTNT. I got to go to this higher time frame to break this down. My bad. My mind is all over the place with, you know, Tesla finally wanting to do something here. So yeah, my bad if I'm all right, I got two alerts. Either that stop loss or those take profits. I'll definitely have let's see how that plays out. All right, anyways, so FTNT, let's take a look here. So I will say FTNT looks like, yo, Colin, for which one? Let me know. My bad, I forgot which one you mentioned you wanted me to go over. Yo, Maddie, what's up? Thanks for being in the other live stream. All right, yeah, we got still empty space above us, right? We did end up creating another box here. It does look like it wants it up to that 89.40. That's what I can see here. It's just moving very, very slow. And I will say it looks like we created another box here. So I don't really want to keep on making overlapping boxes, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, we would have to get above that 86.97 for that continuation. That's what I can see there. All right, so Tesla getting a nice little move that I needed. Obviously, finally. I've been waiting on this play since, bruh, I kid you not, I was staring at the screen for literally all day for hours and hours. Just looking at this whole play. I'm just glad we're getting that little push that we need. We'll see if we can get, you know, that nice push above. The nice continuation. All right. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Hold on, give me 1 second. All right. Cool. So those targets looking pretty good. All right, yes, give me 1 second. I gotta get me some, I gotta stay hydrated. Obviously, want some coconut water too as well. So give me 1 second here. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link's in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. So yeah, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. All right. Cool. Tesla has news tomorrow or a meeting. Yeah, that's why I'm saying. And yes, I'm back, guys. But yeah, that's why my reasoning is, yeah, just trim maybe a lotto runner, like an extreme lotto. That's it. But that's That's all that I see. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. So yeah, I know it got a little bit of news tomorrow, so that's the only reason. I do like how we did end up pushing up. Very beautiful there. So, okay, so Tesla, we'll take a look at some more TTD. So hold on. So Meta, PayPal, TTD, okay. So we did UNH, we did FTNT, we gotta go over. What app do you trade on? So actually, this is Trading View. So this is just for my analysis. I use Webull TradeStation. Obviously, you know, I know how to use the other brokers, but those are just the main ones that I use. He said 2 institutional traders I know are holding strong. Dude, fire, man. I mean, it looks it looks, you know, decent. I feel like we could end up finishing this move here. That's just what I can see, but I guess we'll have to see how everything plays out. Yeah, I got some coconut water. It's pretty good. No, this is not an ad either. It's not that I'm even being shaky. It's just that I just know that with swinging Tesla, it loves to do what it'll do what it wants to do. Obviously, we could end up even, you know, going up and tapping those TPs, and then so the play would have worked out, and then we could end up dropping before market opens. So we'll have to see how that plays out. All right, so PayPal, we are still above our top wall here, so we shall see how that plays out here. Clear gap down, no consolidation. We can get this nice continuation. Looks really good. So that's what I'm seeing. My friend made about 40K on AMD. Dude, fire, man. And yeah, shout out to Glock for that that play there. So yeah, beautiful move for sure. All right, so now let's keep going here. Let's see. So what, Mara too? All right, we'll take a look there. So we did TTD, we gotta go over, we did FTNT, we gotta go over OKLO, a couple of these trades here as well. 1 second here, guys, give me 1 second. CRWV. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll go over all these trades here. Hey there, yo, AI, what's up? Good to see you. Really appreciate you tuning into the live stream. If you have any questions, just drop them down below, or any requests. Oh, your name's Al. Did I mess it up? My bad. If I messed your name up. Hold on, give me 1 second here. All right, 1 second. All right, cool. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries, man. All good. All right, so Tesla's still doing its thing there. OKLO, we'll take a look here. Let's see, weekly chart. Let's take a look. He said, I saw that shot in basketball, it was fire. Dude, appreciate it, man. Honestly, those people that I was playing against, they were actors, or they are actors. Yeah, they were pretty cool. All right, so as of right now for OKLO, let's take a look here. I will say, there's just nothing really stopping us to this upside here. what I can see is, obviously it looks like we're trying to finish that move here to this upside, but nothing really stopping us if we can break above. What I would say here is maybe we can build a little bit of structure, or yes, we do got a little bit of empty space, a little move there. What I can see is, yeah, we got a nice top, bottom wall here, and yeah, right under us. Hold on, we get a nice break below that. It looks good down to this 119. So yeah, as of right now, it looks decent. I'm just gonna wait. Not really something that I just want to, you know, jump in to, but yeah, it looks really good. So that is on OKLO. Looks pretty decent. So you wanted to look at DV. Hold on. DVLT. Okay, cool. Gotcha, man. So TTD, let's take a look here. Honestly, maybe I should go ahead and write this down a bit too as well. TTD, got another little move coming here. So this is obviously, yes, that move ended up working out amazingly. We got the same little move here that I can see. So pretty much looks exactly similar, right? Yeah, actually looks pretty decent. We got this nice little gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would love to the upside here. Waiting for that 55-35 break, and if we can get a nice 24 candle body closure. Obviously, I do love how we're, you know, punching through this box here right now, but yeah, it looks decent. Hold on, I gotta do this. Hold on, first TP would be that 71.69. So that's what I'm seeing there. It doesn't look too bad. DVLT, let's take a look. So, hold on. DVLT. Weekly time frame. Okay. All right. So yeah, what I can see here is this. So let's see here. So it looks like we got another little empty space move here that, you know, doesn't look terrible. So pretty much the same exact thing from what I can see. So yes, we're in this empty space here. I'm also seeing that we got a nice another little box here that I can easily see right here. We get a nice break above this top level. This 226, I could easily see up to this 261. So not the craziest move, I understand. But yeah, that's just what I'm seeing here. All right, but I will say, yeah, we're in this empty space here, so it's just that I missed this move. So that's what I'm seeing. But yeah, if we can get above that little top level, we got empty space up to this 244. So that's just what I'm seeing, which honestly looks really good. So that is on DVLT. Looks really good. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of typing to do, things of that sort, getting ready for those end of day swings. So yes, appreciate you all tuning back in. We'll see how this plays out. But yeah, I'll either see you inside of the Discord, and yes, if you do want to join, links in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries. Or if you don't want to join, yes, I'll be live tomorrow morning as well. So yes, thank you all so much. Have a blessed one, guys and gals. See you all either in the Discord or in my next live stream. Have a blessed one in Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.